Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna tell you a short love story about that one boy had a crush on a girl. So let the story begin. A guy liked a girl and he followed her wherever she go. As the day gone by, the girl noticed that he had feeling for her. One day, she asked him, "Why do you keep following me?" The guy replied to her, "You are so pretty and I think I'm falling in love with you." The girl said, "Really? But you haven't met my friend yet. She is so pretty than me. She is right back behind you." The guy say, "Are you making fun of me? There is no one behind me." The girl say, "No. If you really love me, you will not even bother to look back. If you really love me, you will not even bother to look back."